Hey guys, Dr. Ray here from Chiropractic Plus, and I just want to talk to you about something that actually is quite near and dear to my heart, and that's families. Yesterday I had a patient. He asked, "So, how do you adjust a baby?" And I said, "Well, I basically lay him on a table and I throttle him as hard as I." It's every adjustment is different because based upon either the neurologic testing we do on the kids or pregnant ladies or the x-rays we take on everyone else demonstrates exactly what needs to be worked and adjusted. And the intensity and the frequency is also based upon that. I mean, if you're a 90-year-old woman or you're a infant, I'm not going to adjust you the same as if you're a 21-year-old male, right? I mean, that makes logical sense. So what we're going to be doing in the office when we initiate your care plan is I want you to look at your listings. That's on the computer screen. That's the language of the x-ray. That's how I know how to move your bones. So if you haven't gotten your children checked, it's time. It's time. Now is the time to get your family checked, your wife, your husband. Get the families. I'm a junkie for families. I love it when families come in together because I know they're growing their health and their wellness as we reestablish that beautiful neurologic connection so the body can restore its body back to health. The brain, the master of the activation and restoration and rejuvenation of the body. Guys, thanks for listening. If you're not a patient, become one. Now, if you're currently a patient, make sure you maintain those adjustments, and let's get your family checked. Just head to the front desk right now and schedule a time to get your family an evaluation so we can determine exactly what's going to take to get them better. Guys, thanks for listening. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.